Hi everyone, it's Lois Avellanet with Easy as Pie Stamping. Today I'm excited to share with you everything you need to know about the best personal paper trimmer. Stay tuned for all the details. I post weekly videos on rubber stamping projects, techniques, and tips. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I'm going to tell you why the Stampin' Trimmer is the best paper trimmer. This is the tool that I use the most. I use it every day. As someone who's been using Stampin' Up products for 20 years, I enjoy teaching people all about paper crafting. The Stampin' Trimmer is a lightweight, portable, personal paper cutter designed with the paper crafter in mind. The exclusive Stampin' Trimmer was designed with input from Stampin' Up demonstrators who knew what they wanted in the perfect paper trimmer. The Stampin' Trimmer has an extra wide cutting base that measures 6 1/4 inches on this side and 1 1/4 inches on this side, which is the perfect size for most projects. You don't need to open the extender arm to cut 8 1/2 inch by 11 or 12 by 12 paper in half. It measures 12 1/2 inches on the base. You can make a full 12-inch cut or score without removing the other blade because the cutting track is extra long. There is space at the top and bottom for each blade. The curved handle makes it easy to hold in your hand. The full ruler measures down to 1/16 inch increments. We have 1 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, and 1/16 inch. The ruler and grid are protected with a durable plastic cover so they don't wear off. Grid lines are 1/4 inch wide, perfect for making sure your cardstock or paper is lined up. Grid lines on the right side of the track are for cutting and scoring thin strips or when scoring three-dimensional projects. Don't forget to watch my Beginner Stamper Series videos. This is my Stamping 101 course. Everything you need to know to be a successful stamper. The links are below. There is a 14 1/4 inch extendable ruler for larger projects like cutting 12 by 12 cardstock and paper. The 6 1/2 inch mark is indicated in the hinge of the extender arm. There is a sturdy, stabilizing leg that pulls down and locks into place, which is designed to make the extender arm stable and flush with the base to ensure straight cut. As you can see, the arm and the base are level. If I fold the leg in, the arm moves, and that means that you may not get a straight cut. The Stampin' Trimmer comes with 1 cutting blade and 1 scoring blade, and you can purchase replacement blades. Dark blade is for cutting, light blade is for scoring. Blades have their own home, one at the top and one at the bottom of the track. The insertion point for the blades is at the bottom of the track. To remove your blade, place it in this wider space, and then I use the take your pick tool and just lift up a little bit, and it pops right out, and then you just line it back up and pop it right back in. The cutting blade cuts in both directions, so you get twice the cuts from one blade. The hook on the back of the blade holds onto the cutting and scoring track along this straight edge. This facilitates the straightest cuts possible. The precision tip on the front of each blade allows for precise starting and stopping of cuts and scores in conjunction with the ruler on the track. Let me demonstrate. Let's say we need to cut a slit in the center of this piece of cardstock. So what I'm going to do is lift up the cutting track and then find where I want to start my cutting, and I'm going to start at the 3 inch mark. So I make sure that's lined up, and then I'm going to hold it down and pull pull it towards me till I get to the 2. So here's the slit I made in the piece of cardstock. Head on over to my blog right now and sign up for my email newsletter with techniques, tips, classes, projects, and promotions every week. The link is below. And you can find great tutorial projects like these. The locking mechanism locks down the track when transporting so that the track doesn't swing open or the cutting mat fall out. So this is the locking mechanism right here. It slides forward and locks into this hook right here. The track is clear plastic so that you can see the ruler on the track and the groove on the cutting and scoring mat. The curved handle makes it easy to lift the track. My next video will be another Beginner Stamper Series episode. I'm going to tell you about my top 5 favorite paper crafting tools. You don't want to miss it. There is a handy storage compartment on the back, which is great for storing extra blades, a bone folder, pencils, and more. Just push on the tabs and lift up. The clear cover allows you to see what's inside. It's divided into varying sized compartments to keep you organized. Additional features of the Stampin' Trimmer. The non-skid feet keep the Stampin' Trimmer from sliding on the table while cutting. I also find it helpful around the house for a variety of projects like cutting photos, coupons, recipes, articles, and more. This is the paper trimmer that all other paper trimmers want to be. The Stampin' Trimmer perfectly meets the needs of rubber stampers, card makers, and scrapbookers. Grab your free downloadable proportional mat template. This is very helpful when you're designing cards. If you want to join a community of crafters just like you, I have a secret society where I share up-to-date techniques, tips, and products to keep your projects fresh. The link is below. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the Stampin' Trimmer. Thank you for visiting Easy as Pie Stamping. I look forward to helping you create pretty projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and remember, do something creative every day.